Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we will be starting a new Python crash course. So I welcome all for this new crash course in my channel. So in this course, we will be learning the basics of Python, uh, the usages of Python, how to install Python, and many other things. Okay. Okay. First question is. So let's start with Python course and understand what is this and what are the things we are going to learn. Okay, to start, what is Python? Python is a general purpose programming language. So when we say it's a general purpose programming language, this Python can be used in multiple industries. When I say multiple industries, be it in IT industry or in automotive or in embedded systems industries, so many other things. And also we can use it for a scripting language, as a scripting language. Okay. It is dynamic and interpreted language. When we say dynamic, so it's a quickly modified, we can modify quickly and we can use it. So when we say interpreted language, so most of the time when we consider the different programming languages like C, C++, Java and other things. So first we write a code, then we compile it, then we run it. So the time between scripting to runtime, it's a huge because compilation time takes a lot of time. But in Python, we don't do compilation. So when we just run the script, when we run the script, basically it will create a compiled file and it will be interpreted and it will give output. Okay, so here it's quite fast and we save a lot of time here. Okay, and main thing is the Python is the program, the code what we write in Python. It's a kind of a English speaking. Okay, so even the person who doesn't know much about the programming skills, so he can write a simple programs by just like how we speak. Okay, then next, why we are using Python? Okay, so when you say already we have multiple programming languages, but still why people are asking for Python? Okay, so Python is an object-oriented programming language. Okay, it is also similar to the other programming languages like C++, Java. So here also we have a different uh, OOPS concepts when I say. Okay, so when I say OOPS concept like encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and many other things. These are all supported by Python. It's an open source. Okay, so when we say open source, so we don't need to purchase any licenses. Directly we can download from the official website, install it, and we can start running the test scripts. It's a powerful. Okay, so as I mentioned, it supports many inbuilt functionalities, many libraries, and also it supports third-party libraries also. So in order to support with the different programming languages and all, so those are all things are included in this. So this is powerful and it's a portable. So when we say portable, like we can change from Python to like there are some scenarios where we want to change the programming languages from uh, Python to Java, some kind of thing, and from the older version to newer version. So that is supported in Python. Then, so as we see in many other languages. So normally we have our data types. So when we say data types, it's a kind of a functions or suppose so data types basically there are many data types Python is supporting like numbers, strings, lists, dictionary, tuple. These are the main data types, and apart from that, we have a few more data types available in Python. But those things we'll see in the next video with some examples in Python, how to write these, how to use these data types, and how we can write our scripts using Python. Okay, thank you for watching.